Yo, I finally have a real streaming schedule. I'll keep it simple. Any day that starts with T, I'm offline. Weekdays that I am live, I'll be streaming at 1:30 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. Saturdays, I stream in the evening. Sundays, I stream in the morning. See you there. I don't know why. I saw this photo. I was like, why is this so funny? I don't know why it is. But this is Carlos with a hot dog and what looks to be maybe an iPhone 6s Plus. Maybe it's the face, like how happy he is to have this hot dog, or just the low quality of the picture. And I actually really don't have much ideas, but I saw this one. I was like, this is funny. We'll do something with it. It's a little low quality, so we can only do so much with it. Bro, this is now... Sorry, content aware skills are... Holy shit. I've never thought about scaling up. Bro, he thick. He thick like a brick, bro. Do I just do fuck it wiener, or do I do fuck it wiener time? Just wiener. Okay. That was the original idea. Bro, don't you even think about snatching this dude's fucking dog, man. He will get fucked up. And then maybe on top of it all, we can just do something simple like deep fry a little bit, or just lower the quality a little bit here. Let's do like 6 levels. Perfect. I'll save that into the folder. We got this nice portrait that, it'll be like a beautiful Instagram photo or something that someone sent me. I'm waiting for it to load up in Photoshop. Look at this. A great picture here that was sent in my Discord. Great scenery. And we're just going to make the scenery a little bit better. I already was like prepared for this one. I saw this one. I was like, we have what we got to do, guys. Gamers. Command J. And then I got a picture. I already saved the element we're using for this one. Oh, you already know, ladies and gentlemen, what the fuck's going on. Whoever this is, I forget the name of the person who sent in this photo, but I hope you use it as a senior photo. Putting this in your yearbook would be really epic, but just a suggestion. Guys, I'm telling you, I'm certified. I'm an Adobe certified associate in Photoshop, all right? This is what my years of education led to. Post it up in Minecraft. Look at the view. I'm taking this serious, guys. I know it's like a meme, but I want to try to put the effort into making it look... I'm going to bump the saturation on her a little bit because it's just so colorful. I just feel like that's necessary. I think that came out great. I think there's not much else I want to do here. I think we're good. I saw this picture. And there's this Vine where this guy, he's wearing like ski goggles and a hat. And then he's like wearing like all Gucci and shit.
Goddamn Gucci, Louis, 3 logo. These niggas goddamn.
Yes! Yes!
And I was like, low key, like this guy, he kind of looks like if you were to put his head on like some rapper wearing designer clothes. So yeah, this picture, yeah, oh my god, that's a very small picture of Lil Yachty. But I was thinking like maybe like because the head's kind of a line, we can make it work. Like I feel like this guy has a chance of having the real rapper look, young pastry dish or something like that. It is looking a little all over the place. I get that. But like, doesn't it, like, I'm telling you, his head just kind of fits. I love the photo. There we go. We're wrapping this one up. You're a rapper now. You're in the hip hop industry. You're welcome. So here's a dog. I love this photo. Oh yeah, that lines up perfectly. And I was thinking like making it like hella small. An impact font just at the top. You're really gonna scroll past without saying howdy. There we go. We made a meme today. Is it a meme? It's not even a meme. Who buys these hoodies, man? Really? Who buys this? And then the T-pose, not just top it all off. So much potential. T-posing over a Fortnite kill? Maybe. Fortnite. Just to curse, like just to make it as even worse as possible is just to throw it in Fortnite. After catching that sweet victory royale. Just like put it in like the Fortnite pedestal with the background. That's what I think we might do here. Trapped in Fortnite. You know what? I don't care if the resolution's all fucked because this image is already fucked. Work on it from just giant Fortnite hands. Perfect. Okay. And then we're going to have to edit him out. Perfect. Oh my god, that's cursed. Sorry to whoever this is that I'm just ruining your life. If my grandma saw this image, she would die. Of laughter, hopefully? Actually, the head's so flat, it works. Don't worry, I would never actually hit your dog with that. The period. It's a serious bonk. I can frame this and give it away at Christmas. Perfect. I think this is good, This image is just cursed, so I figured I'd just curse it even more. I don't know who that is standing in the hallway there. What, Angie?
What are you up to?
Nothing, dear. That's just demonic.
Mother, I have defecated my bed once again.
This is a very purple bathroom. Down to the toilet and even the top of is the top of the trash can purple as well? It's kind of impressive. The funny thing is that these aren't even like his eyes, but I have to search up him to find the eyes. Oh my god. Look how sad. I don't know where I'm going with this. Oh god. Just looks very cursed now. I feel like I was thinking something like I was just thinking something like toilet clogged, but like with a lot of typos, like you're panic typing it. Like just panic type.
Instead of this, put like 3 commas.
Where?
Instead of the hyphen,
Oh.
like 3 commas.
Holy shit.
Make that
Bro, why do I look like I got like low ass pants? Like, bro, I look like, why do I look like Lil Uzi, dude? I don't know how to explain it. You know what I mean? It's got like a Lil Uzi energy, bro. Oh my god. Command J. Take that. And like you just gotta do a little bit of color tuning and stuff. Hold on. Oh, I mean, actually, not too bad. And now it's a matter of whether I'm putting your mom. Actually, no, we'll put your mom's face on your face. Let's just stick with the common theme here. We just stumble upon some lovely Photoshop, family-friendly Photoshop. Like you were just never born with a face. Yeah, I definitely got you and your mom's face better than your sister and your dad's. But then if just to make it worse, someone mentioned that we should swap the parents' face as well. So I think we're gonna do that just because why not? This one's gonna go here, and this one's gonna go here. Oh, I feel like we can make this work. Oh my god, did we just get the skin tone perfect on like the first try? Like that's perfectly fucking blended right now. Soften the edges, as they say. There, it's perfect. Why could I merge their faces so well? Oh my god. That looks like a real human being. That looks like a real fucking human being. Why am I... Now I gotta fix the daughter. My creation is coming alive. I haven't even read chat for a minute. I've just been very focused on the artistic vision. But hey, listen, ladies and gentlemen. I think this is gonna be the last one. I think we'll probably do a part 2 eventually, because I think this one's good, but I'm going to end off the stream.